Not just the memories, but all of it.
What do you want to do?
Right now, I want to lock up this treaty with the British.
Okay.
Don't say anything to Mark. I'll speak to him when the time is right.
Running recovery protocol is going to be at least 20 minutes before CCTV to look follow.
You look so scared. Sorry, doggy. Come on, come bring me.
Thanks for the confidence.
Look at how he
Calm
planned it.
down.
He knows
It's
our
okay, it's
protocols
okay.
and the layout of this facility. He even knows that special activities keeps the identity of their prisoners classified.
So what do you suggest we just give up?
I want everything that special activities
Look at
You're
Jack.
so funny, huh?
Jack, you filmed it too.